When you wake up in the morning, you roll to the right and get up. You never roll to the left, because the first movement that you make, if you make to the left, you could cause some minor damage to the system. You always roll right, both physiologically, energy-wise and psychologically. Right is the more stable side. Left side is little more fragile because left has the responsibility of having your heart, which has many layered significance in the physiology, not just a pumping blood, it has a many layered significance.